I was trying to start something.
What? Oh! Hey guys, my name is Kirsten and welcome back to this week's video. So continuing on our series of our road trip in Scotland, we went all the way from Glencoe, like Invercoe, to Arisaig? I don't know, whatever. Anyways, it's on the coast. We just kind of relaxed, had fun, went to the beach, and then we went to a bar last second, like a pub. We just decided to go because they had a live band playing, so we went and enjoyed that. Let's go!
No more. I see it again.
I was like waiting for you to notice that I was videotaping you.
I was trying to start something.
What? Whoa! Water just got in my boot.
Picking the thing up.
You want to street it, doesn't it?
I think it's dead. Is that dead?
It looks pretty dead.
Make sure it's dead.
Okay, now I can't pick it up.
You're disgusting. Oh no!
It's clapping!
Oh. I'm filming now, so now you're okay to do it.
Do not do it!
Wait!
I don't get the camera out! Right, I'm not
don't think I'll
Camera.
Do it, Papa, go on.
do it, but I will have a go.
You snap your ankle. What are we going to do? God. That was so stupid, Stuart.
Nah, I won't do that.
Oh, darn it, I'll do it.
You've got arms on it.
Go on then.
Get it?
Yeah.
Don't be stupid. You can't even ride that. You can.
No, I'm not going to do it.
Try it on Max's bike.
I don't know.
No, it's a ram, not a sheep.
Same thing.
No, no.
Well, a lamb and sheep, that's the only difference. The only difference is you've got a pee-pee.
No, 'cause
Yes, I know.
front balls. What you?
I'm not going to see it.
Anyway,
I look like I belong like.
stop kicking her.
Selfie with the sheep.
Wait, what? It's like right in front of your face.
Good boy.
Yes. Ready? You have to cheers me.
Because I couldn't see any wine.
Hello and welcome.
So, today, guys, we're at a bar.
We forgot to press
We arrived at 9 o'clock. It's a bit late. Life goes on.
But pause, wait, I've not updated them since the last time I did an intro.
crap.
So I think last time we were at Loch Lomond.
Mhm.
And then yesterday night we were at
Glencoe.
Invercoe,
Invercoe, sorry.
which is Glencoe-ish camping. We have footage of that. And now tonight we are in
Arisaig.
Arisaig. Arisaig.
Arisaig.
Arisaig.
You said Arisaig.
And now we're at Crofter's Rest public bar.
Life goes on.
Does anyone? We're going to Isle of Skye tomorrow.
Mhm.
So there's that.
Going on a ferry.
Quick little update. Let's go.
Oh my. Missed it. You missed it again.
No, don't zoom in there. Scottish dancing. Here, do some Scottish dancing. Oh, got the leg action.